We are doing a Pilates workout today using the wall. Here we go. I am so excited about today's workout. We are doing a Pilates-based workout using the wall. So all you need is a mat, a little space, and a wall. So we're gonna start facing the wall. And I want your feet hip distance apart, and I want your arms out in front of you to a point that they're at shoulder distance and that they can be straight, okay? So that's where we are going to be. And on an exhale, I want you to press into your hands and just round your back. And you can kind of move yourself backward or forward if you need to. So we're gonna exhale and round. And then inhale, I want you to come forward, open your chest, and maybe even lean back a little bit. All right, so we're gonna exhale, curl and round everything. So getting that nice shoulder and back stretch. And then inhale to arch. And if you have carpet, then you may not even need a mat here. You just want something a little bit soft because we're gonna lay down here eventually. Exhale to round. So the nice thing about a wall workout is the wall actually can be used as a support. So it can support your body. Most of us have a wall available at some point or somewhere. So it's a really easy tool and prop to use. And it's nice for times that you just want something a little bit different, or if you're traveling and you don't have access to a lot of space. This is your last one. Nice job. And we're gonna come right back and we're gonna walk our hands down so that your back is a little bit more flat. So you'll see that I'm trying to get my back a little more parallel here to the floor, okay? Bring your right leg back behind you, point the toes, lift your leg and lower. Lift and lower. So I'm standing on that left leg. You want it just a little bit bent. And I'm lifting that right leg behind me. So really working into the glutes and the hamstrings, working my back muscles. Last two, one, and then just bring it right back in. And we'll go to the other side. Think about trying to keep the hips even towards the floor, and you're just doing it as much as you're comfortable. So you might just be happier right up here where we were, and this is a great place to be, okay? You don't need to come down as far as I am. 3, 2, 1. Bring that leg back in. I'm gonna walk our hands back up again. And we're gonna turn to the side. So I want you to keep your right hand on the wall. Bring your left hand up, reach over, side stretch, and bring it back down. Okay, so we're gonna exhale up and over. Inhale to return. This is based on a Pilates exercise called Mermaid, where we're just getting that really nice, big side stretch. One more. Nice job. Now, I want you to stay here with your right hand still pressing into the wall. We're gonna take the left leg and lift it out to the side and down, okay? And you're gonna have an option. If this is enough, stay right here. If you want just a little more, reach over into that stretch again and have both hands on the wall. 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice job. We're gonna come out of that. And we'll go to the other side. So I'm gonna turn here so you can still see me just a little bit. I have another wall right here. So have your left hand on the wall, right arm's gonna come up, and we're just gonna start with a few stretches, okay? So opening up the other side. Nice, and then when you're ready, find that left palm flat into the wall. The right leg will lift to the side. And again, if you would like, you can stretch over and stay there as you do your leg lift. 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice job. Let's reverse all of that. And then we'll turn and face the wall again. Hands are going to be on the wall. And again, about shoulder distance apart, shoulder height. and step your feet back to a place that you're comfortable, all right? And this is gonna be based on some plank work that we do on the floor in Pilates. So from right here, we're gonna combine and do a little more of the leg lift. So we're doing our plank with a leg lift. You're gonna lift the leg and lower. This is something called leg pull in Pilates. So here too, you can be all the way up, or you can be down lower if that's better for you. It's more of a challenge, lower. 4, 3, 2, 1, and switch sides. So trusting your arms to hold you wherever you are. 4, 3, 2, 1. Very nice. Come all the way back in, and we're gonna find that position one more time. Both feet down, and we're gonna do a push-up. So you're gonna exhale, inhale to come in, exhale to press out. And here also, the closer you are to the wall, the easier this is gonna be. So you can be all the way up here. This is a great, great place to start, or you can be down lower. 4, take your time. 3, elbows bend out to the side here. So a traditional push-up. Last one. Nice job. Come all the way back in, reach your arms up high, step yourself back a little, and just let your chest fall in for a little bit of a shoulder and upper back stretch. Nice job. And then we'll come out of that position, and we're gonna lay down on our backs on the mat. So we're on our back, and we're gonna have our feet on the wall now. So you wanna be at a spot that you can be about a 90-degree angle in your knees and your hips. So we're recreating what we call tabletop in Pilates. So just finding this position, let's inhale the arms back, exhale the arms in. Nice job, one more like that. And then on this next one, slide your hands so that they come behind your head. So we've got thumbs at the base of your skull. And what you're gonna do is exhale to tuck your chin, roll up, inhale to come back down. And I'm gonna give you lots of options here. So you can just stay here if this feels good to you, if you're comfortable in this position. You can lift your feet up a little higher. Okay, try that option. You can always bring your feet down to the ground. And you can also just continue with the arms. If crunching isn't a happy place for you right now, don't do it. Just continue with the arms. Don't worry, there'll be plenty of opportunities to continue your ab strength. You don't need to do a crunch if it's not suitable for you right now. Think about tucking your chin and rolling up. You're not gonna hold an orange there. You just hold a little walnut, okay? Tuck your chin, roll up, look at your belly button. One more. Nice job. All right, on this one, we're gonna come up and stay there, and then just twist. Twist to the left, come to center, twist to the right, and center. Just a couple more like that. Press those feet into the wall. One more each side. Nice job. And lower back down. Arms come down to your sides. Great job. And bring your feet up a little bit higher for me. I just moved mine maybe 5, 6 inches. Take an inhale. And then exhale. I want you to start to curl your tailbone. Notice how my tailbone's kind of coming off the mat, so I'm trying to curl it up. And then lower it back down. That's your inhale. Exhale, curl. Feel like a rocking horse. You're trying to rock through the pelvis, flatten your low back as you roll up, and then you peel everything back down. And the benefit of the wall is, again, it's kind of supporting you as you do this. You don't have to do it with your feet flat on the ground. It doesn't make it easy. It just makes it actually more supported for the body. The body feels safer in this position. We've kind of closed the chain a little bit in just an alternate position. And then if you're comfortable here, maybe you can roll up a little bit higher, or maybe you can eventually come to your full bridge. And by full, I just mean you're going for more of a straight line from your shoulder blades to your hips. So I'm not going into a back bend. I'm just coming up to my height, the height of my bridge, which is right here. 2 more. Really working into the backs of the legs. And last one. And you can either come down and rest, or an option here to lift one leg off, bring it back, and then the other. This is more of an intermediate move, but some of you may be comfortable trying this. And again, if not, no big deal. Just roll back down. 1 more each side. Lower the foot, and then roll yourself back down. Nice job. We're gonna slide both feet up. Isn't that nice? Both feet up the wall. Make sure that you're in a comfortable position in your back, and if you aren't, you can scoot back a little bit. Keep your left leg on. Point the toes on the right leg. Lift it up, down, tap. Lift, tap. 4, 3, and again, you can scoot back as much as you need to. So if you feel this a lot in your hip flexor, maybe scoot back a little bit. Switch legs. 4 and 3. You're doing great. 2, 1. Nice job. Hug the right knee in. Switch legs. And then hug both knees in. And we are gonna sit up on our mat. All right, so we are gonna be sitting, and I want you to sit with your back up against the wall. So if you can, you wanna try to get your tail, shoulder blades, and your head up against the wall. And if that's not happening, then find the comfortable place for you. And what we're gonna do is reach the arms up. Now, this already is gonna be a stretch. It is stretching out our upper back, stretching out our shoulders. So if you can't touch the wall, that's okay. Just bring them away from the wall a little bit. And we're gonna bring our elbows down. So I'm just sliding my elbows down like to a goalpost position and then bringing them back up. So just a little shoulder mobility here. And again, I know this is not easy. I know that some bodies will not want to have the hands back, so you're just putting them wherever they can go. 1 more. Good. Arms reach up. Inhale. Exhale. Peel yourself off the wall to reach towards your feet. And then restack, feeling each backbone one at a time come up to the wall. Then you inhale, arms up. Exhale, reach. Restack, reach forward, and stay here. Take 1 more inhale, and then exhale, restack. Last time up against the wall, feeling nice and tall and feeling proud of yourself for the workout that you've done today. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you on your mat soon.